Welcome to Seodity's Domains Overview module. This module gives you a valuable insight into a specific domain search engine performance. Let's take a closer look at what you can find here. Okay, so this is Organic Shares Overview. So you can see on which country this website gains the most traffic. This is the traffic share parameter, number of keywords per each country, value. This is the estimated cost of acquiring organic traffic to be gained through Google Ads. And this is organic traffic. All of those parameters are monthly. Here you can find top keywords per each country. You can also connect your Google Analytics here and Google Search Console. You can use these metrics to compare the domain strength to any website. So to do that, you can type here any website and quickly check. So identify improvement opportunities and gain a deeper understanding of its search visibility. And you can also export all of those data here. Thank you so much. Bye bye.